NBIA is the membership association of entrepreneur support programs that are called business incubators. We have 1,900 members that represent 60 countries. Actually, the interesting thing about life science related companies is that of the sector specific or focused incubators, the life sciences related incubators are the oldest and the first. So, I can't even tell you when the first incubator there were incubators that had biotechnology clusters or clients in them that weren't entirely focused on biotechnology, but the very first biotechnology incubators probably came into being around 1990, 1988, sometime around there. So finally there were incubators that were specifically focused on one industry sector, and of all the potential industry sectors in the United States, as far as I know, the first was life sciences. There are certainly more life sciences incubators and more biotech because there's more interest in biotech on the part of the states, on the part of National Institutes of Health and the medical community, the health services. Immense, of course, immense part of the economy. So there's certainly more interest in that. I think about 20 years ago, but more so in the last 15 years, people have really focused on trying to address that sector and build those clusters where they exist. I also think that the industry is becoming a lot more sophisticated. And that's true of all incubators, but it's also true of biotech incubators. Better services, better management, more understanding of the real details of working with biotechnology companies, accessing more sophisticated services, accessing and preparing companies for venture capital and to do their elevator speech and so forth to raise funding. Partnerships is a big thing, including partnerships with major biopharma. So these kinds of things, didn't really so much exist 15 years ago as they do today. Actually, our partnership with OneMedTV is a new partnership for us, and hopefully it could be a model for other kinds of partnerships we could develop in the future. We all have an interest in the same companies. OneMedTV has an interest in life sciences and biotechnology companies. Again, this is like one of the largest sectors that we serve, if not the largest sector. And you're helping us get the word out about business incubation and the importance of entrepreneurship, and then that specific sector. So that's really good for us. You're helping us market information about us and our members as well, getting out information about their clients and all that. So that's a great thing. And we're helping you get access, hopefully, to that same clientele or that same base of entrepreneurial startup companies.